Alright, so this guy doesn't know what I've done yet, but I killed a bird in the bathroom. At least I think I killed it. I'm not really sure if it's just unconscious, but I'm pretty sure it's dead. But I hung it up with rubber bands from his rearview mirror, so I'm going to get a ride with him to the gym. Let's go see what he does. I'm trying to see this Facebook stuff. Oh, yeah? Yeah. I gotta hold my camera like this, though. I mean, my phone like this, because it's all fucked up. My phone? I don't know. It's like I can't read the screen. Oh, my bad. Let's see it.
Can you take a picture of me or something?
Dude, I don't want to take a picture of you.
We're doing 2 nighs. Why not play a song off the Iowa album that we've never played live before, ever?
What the fuck?
Now this?
What is that?
It's a fucking bird. I didn't put it there.
Yeah, right. You're so redneck. Is that your version of what? What are you doing?
That is not mine! They found it here and they probably, I bet you it's fucking horn.
Oh yeah?
I bet you $30.
You were all fucked and over.
Or you. That's why.